Hi guys, welcome back to Granny Knows AI. This is Fiona. I wanted to show you today how you can create some beautiful tags and journaling cards and labels using the Junk Journal Studio and Artistly. So let's have a look. Sometimes in the Junk Journal Studio, if you're creating a kit, I'm creating a kit and I've chosen decorative pages, pattern pages, labels, tags and journaling cards. That's what I wanted to make initially. And mine's in the sewing niche. Now I put 30 pages, 30 results. So sometimes when you do that, it comes back with a prompt such as this one, Victorian Sewing Room Journaling Cards, and it goes through and explains the style, the colours, etc. Okay, so what I like to do when it does this, rather than put one prompt per one journaling cards, it's like asking for several journaling cards or a sheet of journaling cards. Now I'm going to show you a trick how you can get different prompts for each separate journaling card when you come into Artistly, okay? So first of all, I am going to copy this prompt. My first step is I'm going to come into the AI Design Agents. Now you can do this with the AI Image Designer. Initially, I'll just show you really quickly the Artistic Designer. Sometimes it will give you a sheet of tags, okay? These are journaling cards. So this works the same for journaling cards, tags, or labels. So it will try to give you a sheet of journaling cards, but quite often a lot of them are unusable, and I'll just show you that. I'm going to do a 3:4 ratio for a tall page. I might just do 2 generations, and I'm going to show you what the Artistic Designer comes back with. Okay, so here we go. So we've got the journaling cards here using the Artistic Designer. So most of them are blank and they're sort of not really what we asked for. And look at this one, that image is just definitely not right. She's not right either. They're just not really usable when you do it that way. And same with this sheet here, we've got mostly blank ones, and then we've got an old sewing machine. So I'm going to show you a better way. So you're going to come into AI Design Agents, and then you're going to come into your clip art generator. But first of all, you're just going to put the one prompt that we were given from Junk Journal Studio. Okay, so I'm going to do this, and I'm going to ask for 10 images, and I'll just leave it on 1:1, or actually I'm going to do 3 to 4 because they're journaling cards. You can leave it on 1:1, and we're just going to see what 10 images we come up with. Okay, here we go. So we have come up with 10 journaling cards, which are a lot better than the first way we tried like this, doing it all on one sheet. Okay, so the clip art generator is going to give you separate journaling cards, but this is not this is not what I really wanted to show you. You can go deeper than this and get even better results. So I'm going to show you how you do that. So when you put that prompt into the clip art generator, it actually creates a separate prompt for each journaling card. If you click on it and then you come down here and you look at the design prompt, it's a separate prompt just for that journaling card. And we'll click on another one. We have a separate prompt for this one, a wicker sewing basket overflowing with delicate lace trims, etc. So I'm going to show you what you need to do. You can do them again one by one, but we can do 10 at a time, can't we? So I'm going to open up my notepad on my computer. Use Notepad or, Word doc, whatever it is that you use. And I'm going to copy paste these 10 prompts. So I'm just going to go through and do that. And I'm just doing one under the other. Just like that. And honestly, is going to read them as separate prompts. Okay, so now I've copy and pasted my 10 prompts into a document, and just one after the other, just with a space, each one on a separate line. So now I'm going to copy paste the whole lot into the clip art designer, and I'm once again going to ask for 10. And there we go, there are our 10 journal cards again. And you can see that when you do it that way, these ones are still usable. You can still absolutely use them. But I don't really like that button one. But look at the button one here. So much better. So when you're using, come in and you copy paste the separate prompts that it actually gives you, you get more perfect results as to exactly what you want. Okay, so you can do that with, any clip art, journaling cards, tags, labels, all those kinds of things. And because each one has a separate prompt, it's going to turn out perfect. Okay, so I hope that helps you in creating your junk journal ephemera, or you might just be putting out a set of journaling cards or a set of labels or a set of tags. So that is how I will use the clip art generator when it gives you a prompt for several in just the one prompt, or a sheet of tags or journal cards. That's how I use the clip art agent in here. Okay, so I hope that helps. Just a short video today. And the Junk Journal Studio, of course, is available inside my Digital Design Club. The link is below in my description. And if you want to get in at the low price, which is $9 a month, you would need to sign up before the end of the week, as the price for my Digital Design Club is going up. Okay guys, but for those of you who have already signed up and are on the $9 tier, you stay at $9 for life. It's not going to go up. Okay, so if you want to be in the $9 tier, I urge you to go and sign up for that price. Okay, so thanks very much for watching, guys. I hope you've learnt something good in this video, and I'm always up for ideas, so if there's anything in particular that you want me to show to do with Artistly or to do with any other of our designing, then please drop a comment and let me know. Okay guys, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.